Leon knows the trucker's life inside out. People like him are on the road driving trucks all over Europe. And they can tell you a thing or two about financial and time pressures, long separations from families, and weekends spent in dreary parking lots. Now, that's set to end. On the 8th of July 2020, the European Union adopted the Mobility Package Part 1 to ensure greater social responsibility toward drivers and to promote fair competition. It applies to all transportation companies and fleet operators within the EU. Basically, this mobility package features clearer and fairer rules on driving and rest times, cabotage, and on the posting of long-distance drivers. It means that now, when Leon is on the road, he is entitled to proper, secure accommodation where he can spend his compulsory weekly rest periods. His working hours can be more flexible, and he is subject to better social conditions right away. In particular, the mobility package combats systematic cabotage. So what does the new regulation look like? Let's say that Leon lives in Valencia in Spain, and he works there for a haulage company. Whenever he carries out a cross-border transportation from Spain to France, he is then allowed to undertake 3 cabotage trips within France immediately afterwards. After that, a 4-day cooling-off period applies, during which Leon is prohibited from making further cabotage trips in France. This new regulation will take effect from the 21st of February 2022, and it also obliges Leon to return to Valencia every 4 weeks. And how does Leon benefit personally? For posting or cabotage trips, his wages are no longer defined by his country of origin. So if Leon comes from a low-wage country, in the future, his employer will have to pay him the higher wage of the country where he carries out deliveries. To effectively control the new regulations, the EU is relying on smart tachographs version 2. These high-tech devices benefit both employers and employees by solving several issues in one go: cost reduction, safety and control, improved workflows, and regulatory compliance. Smart tachographs version 2 are the key network components of a highly effective future communications and data infrastructure. All companies in the transport industry are obliged to know and comply with deadlines for the retrofitting of smart tachographs version 2. Since the 20th of August 2020, trucker Leon and his colleagues have been able to enjoy new rules on weekly rest periods, more flexibility, and the chance to travel back to their home countries. From the 2nd of February 2022, new posting regulations will be in force, and from the 21st of February 2022, stricter cabotage regulations. Now it's the wage and social standards of the country in which the transportation takes place that apply. From the 21st of August 2023, all new vehicles must have smart tachographs version 2. From the 31st of December 2024 on, drivers will be required to keep complete records of the previous 56 days with them. If trucks in cross-border traffic have so far been equipped with an analog or old digital tachograph, owners must have a smart tachograph version 2 retrofitted from that date. From the 21st of August 2025, this retrofitting obligation will then also apply to vehicles with smart tachographs version 1. From the 1st of July 2026, light commercial vehicles over 2.5 tons engaged in international transportation must also be equipped with smart tachographs version 2. The new regulations will ensure that the EU-wide transportation industry is fairer and more people-friendly. After all, Everyone involved deserves a win-win situation. And that is precisely why Continental, with its VDO brand, is focused on the right solutions for tomorrow. VDO data management software competently supports fleet companies and fleet management providers in the introduction of the European Mobility Package and ensures security in the application of current and future regulations.